look okay?
Hair looks nice, honey. Good morning. Here we are. How's my hair? Anyway, it's Sunday afternoon. We're a little bit late. We starting over? Okay. A little bit late. Usually we do this Saturday morning, but I took a quick trip down to Eugene, Oregon to visit my almost 90-year-old older sister.
Brent has a weird family.
She's not the oldest. My oldest half-sister would be like 120 this year, but she's not been around a while. Anyway, so I went down Friday.
1904 was she born?
Yeah, 1904. Went down on, yeah, my dad was quite the guy. But anyway, went down on Friday, came back on Saturday, so.
Fast trip.
Yeah. Anyway, we're Home Team Powell, Brent and Amy, and we are real estate brokers in the North Olympic Peninsula. We help people buy and sell homes, and we love what we do. And if you might take a moment and press one of those subscriber buttons that's there, and like, or whatever other buttons look like, they might be pressable. And
or if you're interested in buying or selling, we're here for you.
Yeah. So the intro today was
Woodland Heights. It's a neighborhood development in Sequim.
Yeah. So we've
views.
been doing more of the street views to kind of give you an idea. Okay, what are some of the neighborhoods like in this town? So we do both Sequim and Port Angeles. So this Sunday's a big Sunday because we are having our drawing for Amy's one-of-a-kind signed watercolor, which if your number is drawn this morning, a lot of you sent in a number in the last week.
We got a lot of people. We got
yeah.
Y'all are on here.
And so we're now going to do the drawing, and
we're doing it first. Okay.
Yeah, might as well. I mean, some people maybe you just tuned in only for this drawing, in which case you won't have to watch the rest of it. So here we have all the numbers, and we will look away. I will look away and flip them.
Shake them. Shake them.
Yeah.
Shake, Winnie. Chill.
Shake, rattle, and roll, and then I'll pick out randomly.
You're going to shake and pick.
Oh yeah, you're going to pick.
Logan could pick.
Okay, you're going to pick.
Hold it up high so
and
I don't
so we're starting with the ones, like 491. We start with the first number we get is that
okay,
one.
Here it is.
0, okay?
0.
Right on the board there. Yeah,
0. I think I knew how to do that.
Okay, so we're going to put this back in.
It's to me.
But we'll
it's like
show.
That.
You can lean it up. So
right?
Hold on.
No, it's this way.
Okay, mix them up really good. So there's actually quite a number of you who put in your last number being a 0. Okay, Amy will choose.
I think that's 2 together there. I'll screw that. Is that one number?
Yeah, that's one number, yeah.
What?
Here.
7.
So 70.
And
whoever is the closest to that number.
Okay, now we're going to look.
Up or down. Wendy, knock it off.
I don't know if we have any that are 70.
I don't know either. Shuffle these really good.
You want to pick the last one?
We need one of those bingo things. If you have one of those bingo deals, that you want to send it to us.
Bingo deal.
We've been looking for one, but we haven't found it. Okay, your last one.
Okay, let's see. That one.
8.
870. All right, let's see what we got here.
Oh my, we got a couple of real close.
861, 878. Looks like the winner. Here in Hawaii is the name. Woo!
Okay, so if that's you, we'll need to have you send us your physical address, email.
Well,
send us your email,
yeah,
and then we can communicate about where to send the painting. And it'll be just like this. It's not going to be.
Well, it is this one.
Yeah, it is that one. In other words, it's not going to be in a frame with glass.
Yeah,
so
I'll
you
just
can
wrap it up.
Hang it on the wall like that, or frame it if you want.
Yeah.
And so there we go. Congratulations.
Here.
Life in Hawaii person.
Here in Hawaii.
Here in Hawaii.
Maybe they don't want to be in Hawaii anymore.
I don't know. Maybe they're not in Hawaii.
Okay.
They just went on vacation.
So we have 12 homes today, 2 in Port Angeles, just 2, and there were 10 in Sequim that closed this the last 3 days.
You want to tell them what's coming up after we cover Port Angeles?
Sequim?
Our Christmas cheer.
Oh, geez. Brace yourself. So for Thanksgiving, we did a little recording at a family event. It's really stupid.
We're working on finding out if there was any talent to be an opera singer.
No,
And
none.
you'll find out real soon.
Anyway,
The
stay
pool
tuned
is-
until the end of this.
The pool is limited. So.
All right.
So the end of just Port Angeles, right? That's 2.
Why don't we make them wait till the end of the bowl, all of them?
Okay, at the end of all of them. Okay.
Okay,
So why are there only 12 this week?
because there were only 3 days.
Yeah. That's why. So because of
The
holidays.
courthouse was only open 3 days this
Yeah,
week,
so
last week.
we'll see probably a few more next week. Okay.
And somebody asked about whether we could give the whole address. I think we can, because it's on Zillow.
Yeah, it's public knowledge. So
All right, so we'll do that.
we're going to give you the full address. And the request was so that they could look it up and see more detail on Zillow. So
Okay.
okay, you want to start?
Sure. The first one in Port Angeles is on 919 Glenbrook Circle. Originally listed for $450, that's what it sold for. It had 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 3 days on the market, built in 1974 with 1,680 square feet on a little over a quarter of an acre.
Okay, 332 North Ridgeview Drive, originally priced at $565, and sold, happy seller here, for $625,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 half bath, 4 days on the market, built in 1984, and it has 2,587 square feet with 0.39 of an acre, and they have saltwater and mountain view. So, moving on to Sequim.
Okay, next one is on West 5th Street. This is an area where these little manufactured homes are in a community, so it's leased land. It's 325 North 5th, listed for $150. It sold for $119. Wow, for a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 87 days on the market, built in 1987 with 1,728 square feet, leased land, and a mountain view.
Okay, the next one is 301 North 7th, number 63, originally priced and sold at $169,500. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 3 days on the market, built in 1979, and it has 1,432 square feet, leased land, and a neighborhood view.
Very good. The next one is on 208 West Prairie Street. Listed for $389, it ended up selling for $380,000. It was a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 10 days on the market, built in 1977 with 1,362 square feet on 0.14 of an acre and a mountain view.
Okay, 141 Brazil Road. Originally priced at $525,000, sold for $490,000. This place has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 22 days on the market, built in 1990 with 1,800 square feet, 1.25 acres, and a territorial view.
The next house in Sequim is on Independence Drive. That one started at $499,950, and it sold for $490,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 4 days on the market, built in 2002 with 1,788 square feet on a standard acre, a lot, 0.16, and a neighborhood view.
Okay, 152 Buck Loop Road, listed at 600, take 3, listed at $565,000 and sold for $555,000. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 5 days on the market, built in 1997 with 1,516 square feet, 0.67 of an acre, and a territorial view.
Very good. Okay, the next one is on 358 Dungeness Meadows. Dungeness Meadows is a little development down by the river, and It has quite a variety of homes down there. This is a nicer one, listed for $597. It sold for $587. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 13 days on the market, built in 1980 with 1,904 square feet on a quarter of an acre and a territorial view.
Okay, and then moving on to 151 Valley Farm Court, priced at $649,000, sold at $640,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 12 days on the market, built in 2001, 2,235 square feet, just a skosh under half an acre and neighborhood view.
Next one is up on Carriage Drive, 203 Carriage Drive, which is at the top of Bell Hill. Listed for $1.150 million. It sold for $1,180,000. So $30,000 over asking. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 4 days on the market. Built in 2004 with 2438 square feet and 2.45 acres and a saltwater view. Final house.
Okay, last one is on 687 Woodcock Woodcock Road, and the asking price was $1,295,000, sold for $1,197,000.
Almost $100,000 less.
Yeah, so 3 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 1 half bath, 127 days on the market, built in 2001. And a good sized place, 3,467 square feet, and this has 5.14 acres with a mountain view. And that wraps it up for today. I imagine we'll see a few more next week, taking into account the holiday.
And enjoy the little video that's coming.
Yeah, and I just a quick, that was our best effort. Somebody suggested I wasn't trying. That was as good as it's going to get. So we apologize for this ahead of time. So
anyway,
enjoy. We'll be right back.
I don't want to do it anymore. Ready? Everyone together. I'm done with this.
Happy Thanksgiving!
I think that was good. I think that last. Hello? All right, we're done.
So is that it? Are we done? I think so. So
Are we still okay?
Have a great week.
Yeah, no. Quick summary.
Okay,
it's hard to make a statement on just so few closings, but it seems like we're getting closer to asking. Sold price is closer to asking, and some are over, some are under. Several were at asking. So
they were close. 10,000, 10,000 less, 9,000 less.
Yeah, so that's a little different than some of the past weeks where it's been way off,
Yeah.
mostly way under. You know, the sold price is way under asking. So anyway, have a great week, and toodaloo.
Mr. Here in Hawaii, please make contact with us, and we'll send you the picture.
Yeah, and we'll have our next drawing when we hit 800, and then when we cross 1,000, that's a big deal.
Whoa.
So we'll have something very special for that. You know, all expense paid trip to the grocery store.
We don't know.
Yeah, we'll have
Don't
to come
hold
up
us
with
to
it.
that,
So
yeah.
have a great week. See you
Okay,
back.
bye.